There's a handful of different ways to send photos on your Pixel phone, and I'll walk you through the best ways to do it. The first and probably the most common way to send photos is to simply use the Messages app. Open Messages and find the conversation where you'd like to share photos. There's a couple of ways to add photos to your messages. You can either tap the little image icon on the right side of the text input field, and you'll get a split-screen view that allows you to either capture a photo right there on the spot, or you can use the browser on the bottom half to pick an existing photo from your gallery. The other option is to tap the plus icon on the left side of your text field and then choose Gallery. You'll get the same view, and you can then take a photo or browse your gallery and find what you'd like to send. You can select one or multiple photos, and you'll tap Done when you're ready to send. If you want, you can add a caption, which will be added as a message that goes out together with your photos. Then just hit Send, and you're done. If the text field in your conversation says RCS message, it means that conversation supports high-quality media. If you see SMS or MMS, your photos will still go through, but they'll likely get compressed a lot, and the quality might suffer. Another solid way to send photos would be via email. Just tap on the bottom to compose a new message, add your recipient and subject, and then use the paperclip icon on the top of your screen to attach photos to your email. Choose Photos as your attachment type, and then pick the photos you'd like to send. Most common email providers limit the size of emails to about 25 megabytes, and a typical high-resolution photo from your phone is usually around 5 to 8 megabytes. That means you can safely attach 3 to 4 full-quality photos to your email. But if you add more, there's a risk of either getting your photos compressed to a smaller size to stay within that 25 megabyte limit, or the email might just not go through at all. So, email is great for a couple of photos, but not for a large batch. If you're physically close to the person you want to send photos to, Quick Share is a great option. You'll just select the photos on your phone, and you can do that in Google Photos or your file manager, or pretty much any app that you use to browse your photo gallery. I'll tap and hold to select some photos, and then I'll tap the Share icon. In the Share menu, I'll see this blue Quick Share button, and once I tap that, my phone will look for any nearby Android devices that it can send these files to over the air, wirelessly, in full original quality. Usually nearby Android phones will show up automatically, but if they don't, like my Galaxy phone here doesn't, you can see that the QR code button to generate a code for sharing the files. The other phone can then simply point their camera to the code, accept the transfer, and the files will copy over. Normally, you can just tap the recipient phone in the Share menu on your Pixel, but the QR code is a good backup to have. Quick Share is fast, doesn't compress your files so it retains original quality, and even though it's using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi directly between the devices, it doesn't require an internet connection to work. So, there's a couple of easy ways to share photos. If you need to send a larger batch over the internet, I would make a folder on Google Drive and share that. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.